Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Coffey. I am a registered dietitian. Although I do not practice as a clinical dietitian here at the hospital, I am the patient experience manager. I knew that I wanted to be an RD several years ago when a light bulb went off finally, and I said I can make a career out of my fascination with food and nutrition and the food industry that I had begun researching. Through my training and my education and personal experiences in the hospital setting, I quickly realized that there is sometimes a disconnect, and the clinical staff can be at the mercy of the kitchen operation. And I knew that I wanted to be right in the middle of that, and I wanted to help bring those two sides together. And I wanted to support the clinical team by working with the food service operation. In my role as patient experience manager, I focus daily on patient satisfaction. So I spend the majority of my time speaking with patients and listening to their experiences with their meal service. I also educate our dining service staff and help provide them the tools that they need to give our patients an excellent experience. And I'm also very honored in my role to help support our wonderful clinical
and
staff.
We definitely appreciate that support. My name's Amy. I'm one of the lead dietitians here at St. Peter's Hospital, and I cover the Cancer Care Center as well as part of the NICU. In the Cancer Care Center, I help support people just get through their treatment, find something to eat when they don't really feel like eating at all. I've not always wanted to be a dietitian, but I've always loved food. And whether it be watching grandma cook some cookies or my mom make dinner every night, my dad grill, the best food experience I think I've had is watching my uncle literally play with recipes in his kitchen. He's the cook of the family, if you can't tell. His son and I actually even just threw dinner parties because we wanted to cook. So when I was presented with the opportunity to be a dietitian through research of what I could do with the rest of my life, I jumped right on board. So here at St. Peter's, we have a good clinical staff, which is supported by dietitians, chefs, as well as the catering associates themselves. And we're excited to be celebrating National Nutrition Month. And today happens to be RD Day, so happy RD Day.
Happy RD Day.
And our RDs have actually culminated a lot of recipes and a little bit of a bio story. So click on the link below and download your own copy. We hope that you enjoy and find a lot of good flavors in your cooking and recipes too.
Thanks for joining us.